Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu Linux 24 on Hyper-V. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Go to your Hyper-V manager and first of all you need to create a virtual external switch to connect internet to your virtual machine. Just click on virtual switch manager and select external and then click on create virtual switch. I have already created a external virtual switch here. I can connect internet from this virtual switch to the Ubuntu Linux virtual machine. Now click on OK and then click on new. Click on virtual machine. Click on next. Type the name. I'm typing Ubuntu and then click on next. Here you can choose generation 1 or generation 2. Generation 1 virtual machine supports 32-bit and 64-bit guest operating system, and generation 2 supports only 64-bit guest operating system and it's UEFI based, and generation 1 is BIOS based. I'm selecting generation 1 and then click on next. Here assign the memory 4096 MB, and you can use dynamic memory for this virtual machine. And when you select dynamic memory, if virtual machine do not require 4 GB, it will release the extra memory. Now click on next and now connect to your external switch and then click on next. Now this is the virtual hard disk name, and you can change the name as you wish, but remember you must use the extension VHDX, and this is the default location of your virtual hard disk. You can change this location. I am changing the location. Click on browse and I'm selecting a drive here and select the folder and then click on select folder. The location has been changed. Now you have to assign the virtual disk size. I am assigning that disk 30 GB. Now click on next. Here you will find one option, install an operating system later, and install an operating system from a bootable CD or DVD ROM. Now select this option and then select image file and click on browse, and here my Ubuntu 24 desktop ISO, select it and then click on open. The ISO is selected and then click on next. This is your configuration description and click on finish. The Ubuntu virtual machine is created. Now right click on the virtual machine and click on connect. Now click on start. Try or install Ubuntu. Ubuntu save graphics and test memory. Select try or install Ubuntu and then press enter. You can maximize the virtual machine. Click on view tab and click on full screen mode. Ubuntu 24.04 is installing. Now click on install Ubuntu. Select your language. I'm selecting English. Then click on next. Here you will find the accessibilities of Ubuntu. Now click on next. Select your keyboard. I'm selecting English US. Then click on next. And here you'll find use wired connection and select this option and then click on next. Now an update is available for the installer. You can update now or you can skip it Now I'm skipping it and select install Ubuntu and then click on next and select interactive installation for users who want to be guided step by step through the installation, or automated installation for advanced user who have an auto install YML for consistent and repeatable system setup. I am not selecting it. I am selecting interactive installation and then click on next. The default selections apps will be selected as default and then click on next. Install recommended proprietary software and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, and you will find download and install support for additional media format. I'm not selecting anything. If you want, you can select both from there. Click on next. How do you want to install Ubuntu? Erase disk and install Ubuntu. This one is suitable for me, and then click on next. And now create your account name. I'm typing your computer name, and username is also Mahmud. And now select your password here, confirm password, and select here record my password to log in, and then click on next. And the location and time zone is set. You can change location and time zone from here. Then click on next. Now click on install. Open files and installation continuing. Almost everything done. This is the easiest way to install Ubuntu in Hyper-V. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.